Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix video message not showing on WhatsApp. So first, go to your App Store. So go back to home screen and tap on App Store. And here, you just need to tap on the search icon at the bottom right hand corner. And then we're going to search for the WhatsApp Messenger. And then from here, if you find an update button shows up, you just have to tap on update to get the latest version of WhatsApp. And with this, it should be fix your issue on video message not showing. But if the problem persists, let's go to the second step. Go to your iPhone settings. So go back to your home screen and go to your settings. Now here, you just need to scroll down, then tap on General. Here on General, scroll down a bit and tap on iPhone Storage. And here you'll find all your apps. Basically, tap on WhatsApp. Then here, all you need to do is tap on Offload App. So here, and it will offload your WhatsApp. So this will free up storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available in the App Store. So make sure that you tap on Offload App and don't tap on this Delete App, because if you tap on Delete App, it will delete all your documents and data. Once you offload, you just need to reinstall your WhatsApp and it should be fix your issue on your video message. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.